Hey guys, welcome back to Ghost the Freelancer. How are you all doing today? It is Sunday, and tomorrow will be the start of the new weekly challenge for you to be able to join and motivate yourself to earn as much as you can every week. You can join our Facebook group. Our name is Click Worker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. All right, so for today's recording, it's another foreign hit from oneforma UHRS called Search Satisfaction Japanese version. Now, we do have Indonesian as well as English version. So the thought process would be the same. Okay, so this is going to be the qualification mode, and we need to finish up at least six hits to pass it. Okay, so wish me luck, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. So first one is the query B1A4. It's Japanese. I cannot read it to you. So we'll use Google Translate to translate the page. So it's B1A4 Jinyang. Here is the query intent description. You can read it once you translate it to English. Um, I don't usually go through the query intent description and query intent. I go directly to the expected results. Okay, and according to this, the latest information and new posted photos are good on the blog related to Mr. Jin Young, a member of B184, a Korean idol group. So this is going to be the search page. I mean, the results page. It is in Japanese. So let me open it on a new tab and translate it. So it's translated. So Korean Web Drama Awards uh, B1A4. Uh, I don't see any specific information about this particular person, Jenny Young. Hold on a sec. Hold on here. Apology. I'm not sure who Jin Young is. Anyways, okay. For this one, I would go with somewhat meets. Okay. So the latest information and new posted photos are good on the blog related to Mr. Jin Young, a member of B1A4, a Korean idol group. This one pertains to B1A4, but this site talks about the particular or not particularly Mr. Jin Young, but the group where he belongs to. We can pull this up here. Choose description. Here. Somewhat meets the web page would meet the expectation of only a few users. Either not many users would look for this information, or many users would look for this information, but the page has several issues or flaws. For Korea, Facebook, an old news article or the Facebook developer page would only satisfy a smaller niche audience. Such results would still be okay further down in the search result. This web page for does not meet. This web page would only meet the expectations of even a few users. It should not appear in the top research results. The web page is often unrelated to the query topic. Example is Facebook. A random person's Facebook profile is not what the user is looking for, and the query Titanic movie, a random page about cruise ships is not what a user is looking for. I doubt my answer, but I'll go with somewhat meets. We have many attempts, anyways. I guess three attempts. So let's submit it. Moving on to the next hit. Let me translate it to you all. Hamstring. Professional training sites and blogs, hospital and injury prevention. Let me open up this page on a new tab and do a translation. Um, Translate it to Google. I mean, translate it to English. Explanation by a professional. How do I train my hamstrings? Recommended muscle training and menu and precautions are also introduced. Professional training sites. Yeah, this is for me. It's a website that meets the expected results. So I'll go with number one and submit enter. Again, guys, thought process will be the same as the English version of search satisfaction. Moving on to the next is this one, Nogizaka. I think I already have an answer to this one. It's meat, but I'm not sure. Hold on here. Let me open this up on a new tab. This one, the answers I got it from the training earlier. Let me translate it just to make sure. Yeah, I will go with meat for this one. Moving on to the next hit is this show original translated movie Nagasaki. A list of movies set. The expected results should be a list of movies set in or related to Nagasaki, or a list of movies currently showing in Nagasaki, and information about the screening should be provided. Let me open this up on a new tab. Um, and let me translate it to English. Uh, the website, guys, is called unitedcinemas.jp Nagasaki Daily PHP. So this is going to be a site that meets the expected results. So I'll go ahead and click on submit. Moving on to the next is 934. That's most likely a phone number. Uh, Phone number search site with a list of phone numbers. This is the okay JP number. This is going to be meet CZ33S. Suzuki's official homepage and reviews with images, prices, product information of this car. In addition to new cars, it is desirable to include information on used cars and information on stores that sells them. Let me open this on a new tab. This is not the official website of Suzuki. This is a site called Rakuten. So it is going to be somewhat neat for me. Guys, we passed the qualification test. I don't know how to show it to you all, but let me just move this one here. So this is again the search satisfaction Japanese version. I hope the video helps you out. And again, guys, thought process will be the same as the English version. So if you watch a video of this particular head app from other channels. I hope this video helps you a little bit more, like a little bit more understand on how to work on this one for you to be able to maintain high accuracy um, in regard to working to this hit. Again, my name is Ghost, the freelancer. Our Facebook group again is called Ghost. I'm sorry, Click Worker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. For you to join, you have to subscribe to our tutorial channel first, and then answer the relevant membership questions. Just to show you all, this particular hit pays 0.003 cents. Right now, there's minimum amount of hits. It's just 10 hits, but maybe soon they will go ahead and upload a few more hits. Anyways, it's nice to prepare for this hits by taking the examination and qualification, or rather qualification round and training. I hope the video helps you out. Have a good day and thank you for watching. Bye for now.